Welcome back to another interview here at Evertiq Expo Gothenburg 2025. This time I'm joined by Mareike Haass from Informa. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Dennis.
For those that are not here at this very moment, you just had a keynote presentation together with Christoph Solka from the Global Electronics Association titled EMS Industry, We Have a Problem. For those that weren't here, exactly what is it that's happening with the EMS industry right now?
Yeah, we had our half-year survey, and we had a participation of 224 companies. And yeah, the situation looks not good at all. So to compare the first half year to first half year, we have a minus decline of 30.1%, no, 8.1%. And if you combine it to the last quarter, then we have still a minus of 3.1%. It looks a little bit better if you compare the first half year with the proposed
Year over year.
No, with the second half year 25. We asked the participants what they think about the coming half year. There we have a slightly upgoing trend with plus 0.9%. But in total, if you combine 24 to 25, we have still a minus of 2.1. And these are only the participants. Yeah, and they stand for 21% of the total market in Europe. And it is that the companies who answer the request normally are they who won't give us the figures. And they are not have good figures. They sometimes don't answer us. So this is why I think that the prognosis we also asked for, and who is for 26 overall by 11.9%, will be not high as that. I'm sure that we will see next year a growth, but not a double-digit growth. Yeah. At the moment we have for the year and for the total companies that we already collected 23% of real data. There we have a minus of 3.8. So I would guess for a plus 2-3%, hopefully more, but this is what I expect.
So we've had a very slow first half, but there's some optimism for the second half.
Yeah.
And hopefully
More
we will
optimism for next year as well.
Exactly.